Yeah, good afternoon all of you. In this video we are going to learn about types of sets. So before jumping into the types of sets, we just learn a small topic, that is cardinal number. What is this cardinal number? Suppose if we consider a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardinal number means just how many elements are there in a set. We write it like this, and in brackets we write the set A. So, and we read it as n of A. N of A is equal to how many elements are there? 5. So, the cardinal number of the set A is 5. If we consider any set B, let it be A, E, I, O, U. So, now what is n of B? How many elements are there? 5. So, this is what cardinal number is. Cardinal number means number of elements in a set, right? Now, first type of set is empty set. Empty set. What is an empty set? What is an empty? If no elements are there, if no elements are there in a set, that type of sets are called as empty sets. For example, if you take any set x is equal to all odd numbers divisible by 2. Is there any odd number that is divisible by 2? No. So, we just write our brackets with no elements in it. So, this is called as empty set, and this empty set is represented by this 5. This is the symbol for empty set. Got it? What is an empty set? If no elements are there in a set, that is called as empty set. And what is the cardinal number of this empty set? N of x. Is there any element in this? No. So, the cardinal number of the empty set will be equal to 0, right? So, now second type of set is singleton set. Singleton set. Single means 1. That means if only one element is there in the set, if only one element is there in a set, that is called as singleton set. For example, if I take any set Y, all even prime numbers, all even prime numbers. So, what are the elements that we get in this even prime number? We all know that 2 is the only even prime number. So, only one element is there in the set. So, this type of sets are called as singleton sets. What is the cardinal number of this set? N of y. N of y is equal to 1. Only one element is there, right? Next type of set is infinite set. Finite set. If we have countable number of elements, countable number of elements. For example, suppose we have any set Z, natural numbers up to 10. So, what we have, Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, can we count this? How many are there? We can easily say that the cardinal number of this is 10. So countable number of elements. So this type of elements are called as finite sets. Okay. So next type, infinite sets. Infinite sets. Infinite means we all know, if we are not able to uncountable number of elements. If there are uncountable number of elements in a set, then that is called as infinite. Suppose if we have any set P, P is equal to all stars in the sky. Can we count how many stars are there? No. So therefore this is an infinite set. What will be the cardinal number of this? We can write it infinite like this, right? Next, equal sets. Equal sets. Equal sets means this is a comparison of two sets. Comparison of two sets. Suppose if I take A 1, 2, 3 and I take B is equal to 1, 3, 2. First we have to check how many elements are there. N of A is 3 and N of B is also 3. Okay. If cardinal number is equal, then check for elements. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3. All the elements of A are there in B. So this kind of sets are called as equal sets. That means we can write A is equal to B. Okay. We will take another example. M is equal to A, B, C, D and N is equal to P, Q, R, S. So N of M is 4 and N of N is also 4. Cardinal number is equal, right? But A is not there here, B is not there here, C is. So we can easily say that M is not equal to N, right? So this is about equal sets. Next, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. We can take this same example. Here N of M is equal to N of N. So if cardinal numbers are equal, then those sets are equivalent sets. No need to have same elements. We can take this M and N sets as example for equivalent set. Next, universal set. Universal set. We represent this universal set with mu. This is the symbol for universal set. If all the related sets are present in one set, that is called as universal set. For example, if we take our country India, okay, in this what we have states set, we have districts set, we have mandals set, we have villages set. Like that, in set India we will be having so many sets like this. So India will be called as universal set, and these are all the sets which are present in set India. So India is called as universal set. Okay. Next, subset. Subset. Subset means, we'll see this using one example. Suppose I'll take a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a set. So I'll write one more set. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So if we observe this carefully, A and set B, 2 is there here, 3 is there here, 5 is there here, 7. All elements of B are in A. That implies all elements of B are in A. That implies we can say that B is a subset of A. This is the symbol of subset. Symbol of subset is this. If we this is the symbol of subset, right? So we read it as B is a subset of A. Okay. If B is a subset of A, then we have one more set, superset. This is vice versa. A is called as superset of B. A is, if B is subset of A is superset of B. Okay, subset of B. Next, we will go to disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. This is also comparison between two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to A, B. Sorry, we should not write capital alphabets. A, B, C, right? So if we see, no element of A is there in B and no element of B is there in A. So these are called disjoint sets. Suppose we will consider one more example. 1, 2, 3 and y is equal to 2, 3, 5. If we see here, 2 is there and 3 is there. Some elements are there in x and y. These are not disjoint. These are disjoint. Okay, disjoint sets. So this is about all the types of sets and comparison of sets. Okay, thank you.